Ghana for bebre ese this gender minister no omu nim ejuma oye nti anka be ya omu ngu sa ministry no because they don't see their work. Because on several occasions niama bebre esi ewu krom ha gender minister no wamba bonti ambe kashi ebusiafo aha Aye Ghana Asem TV. You best stress it. You best subscribe to the channel. No for my join cerebral comment section. Yami share nyina. Obusafo ye be kai 2024 in Sembi Babontia efa Rashford Colabia yesi obobo ni coach ene ne da edi ni truma ema akola no ewu ye. Obusafo ye say gender minister na owo krom ha no egi asem ne say obe make sure say or this any coach no to book. But since ya mene ukase yebusia sa asem no yenim kra se ewo ho enu na Ghana fo bi mu se omu susu se sa coach no we NDC ni eninti na gender minister no o koji asem no free police station na up to now anye hwen fa ho ebusiafo Ghanaians are asking question omu ka kire President John Dramani Mahama say ongu sa minister no because the ministry is very useless. Now gender minister oyo oba na enye hwekra no oba wa badaye at least na me we onye hwe ewo krom ha nti aka be ya omungu sa ministry abuja mama yenko na enkote the frustration Ghanaians in sema omuka ekire the gender minister ewo Ghana has yenkomra na eba yebeto as nyamishira nyina.
So I didn't know who gender minister was in Ghana. I went to Google recently to go and search about her. And there she is. There she is. She's doing absolutely nothing in Ghana. In fact, we don't need gender minister in Ghana. Just save her salary. Use her salary to fix roads and drop her. Because she's doing absolutely nothing. Nothing. We don't hear from gender minister. I swear to God that if not right now that I went to Google to search, I wouldn't know who gender minister was because she has never been on the news because she's doing nothing. So she's not on the news at all. Because she's doing nothing, she's not on the news. We don't need gender minister in Ghana. She's useless. She's very, very useless to Ghanaians. She's not doing shit for us. She just sits in the office taking monthly salary every damn fucking month. And she's not doing any job. I was glad she took the case, the Ransford case, and she did nothing about it. And this man is still working free. Why did he even take the case if you can't solve it? Why did you take the case if you can't solve it? What is the importance of you this woman? What is the importance of you in Ghana? We are appointed. And this is a woman, oh. This is woman. Being so useless, she cannot be used for anything in the country. In fact, what is your function in Ghana as a gender minister? What are you supposed to do? And what have you done so far ever since you have been appointed? I remember even those kids, they have lost their life through car accidents. The internet has to come here and blast you before you say something, before you did something. Does it always have to be like that? All right, because we always do like that for you. If you're not ready to do your job as a gender minister, there are kids that are going through abuse every single day in Ghana. As a gender minister, what is your function? What are you supposed to do in Ghana? Absolutely nothing. You're not doing anything. Only God knows how your kids are feeling so comfortable in the house and other people's children are suffering. All because they allow somebody like you to become a gender minister. And you are a woman as well. But you don't have anything in your heart. You don't have anything. Justice for Ransford, you better do something. Let's just say Ghanaians don't report cases when it comes to child abuse and stuff like that. But you've been seeing Antina. You can make connections with Antina, Mama Efe show. When kids like that come to the show with their issues, you should take over. You should help them. You should solve them. That should be your motherfucking job. That is supposed to be your motherfucking job. Make connections with Antina, Mama Efe. When the kids like that come with sexual assault, sexual abuse, rape, you take the case over, you solve them, you help these kids. They need help. That's why you were appointed.
I was for Ghana for youth. Hey, for papa. I was the gender minister, Nidindi, Dr. na mumu lati onu no ye MP for Nungua abusia. The youth are saying say this is very very useless abusia mo ba kaya meka story we be pen time na nkola no say 18 to 17 kola no konya accident ewie na this woman wamba mbonti ambeka. It takes the internet, it takes the youth of this country to shout. Ye dede gumami we susa and sana mami we babonti and the statement by. This same woman ambeka ya or no and at the day President John Dramani Mahama best sworn in or no in or ye late Emma ye poor show no ansana okoye uncle phobet pa choma no ansana. They went to swear her in as the same woman. Abusia, the youth are very, very angry because of the way I handle that case. The way mommy we handle the case no because allegedly you see coach now or the sakolani yes and yamano or see you see sa coach no where NDC ni and inti and na mommy we and the Asem no and cobra no. Abusia youth and buff papa mayan corner and cotwaso na yembra na yeba hebetwaso nya me say.
I do not like to vote in Ghana because people say Asem. You wake up, go and join a queue, go and waste your time to go and vote. Then at the end of the day, it is them and their families that are going to enjoy. I don't like to vote. I've voted only once in my life. But 2028, if I'm not dead, wherever I am, if I'm under a stone, I will go and vote against this woman, this gender minister. I will make sure I will waste that time to go and vote against you. 2028. Wherever I am, if I'm under stone, I just say be a number who am I see me. If I'm still alive, I will make sure I will go and vote against you. You particularly. Just you. I will not vote for a president. I will not vote against anyone. Just you. You, this woman, I will vote against you. Okay? I will vote against you. We cannot be wasting taxpayers' money. Children need help. Children need help. We need help. The boy child need help. The girl child need help. The children in Ghana are suffering abuse. Domestic, sexual, whatever abuse that it is. They need your help. As a woman, have some abadaye kakra for these children. The children need your help. Go and help them. That is supposed to be your job as a gender minister. Me say 2028, if I'm under stone, unless my woo am I see me the netakata me so, wherever I am in this world, I will make sure I will come and vote against just you. Just you. Now I am the second time I'm a voting.
The youth are threatening the gender minister. See, they will do everything possible to vote against her 2028 because the way my meaning handle case, no, I see omo papa. Nah, NDCDA, and yama papa ben, and I will pay from ho. NDC, yama papa ben, I will pay from ho. NDCDA, they are full of lies and draw unkwana muna. Anything I ne case we, nka, say gender minister, we a serious minister. And by this time case we but they have allowed this man walking freely. Yes, so free. Baby, oh yes, I do me the fool where I would dear colano sa na sa ye juma wo honum. Now question is say na management no more honum crano. Omo ankasa no den na mudun because nkolano ni busha for babontin be kai as sembe pray but na Ghana for sometimes no yankasa no say nkofo no wo problem amu ka na I say ye nim ye betwen sa nyama no be say ansana ya sorry say ye be ku ama omo na nka enya sa nsem na esi wo Nigeria and the youth are fighting for a justice for Omani Chow say medin kra me ntumi mbo anka ne sa justice way anka mu hwehwe ma akola we o abuzia bad but it is nice that sisia no ya sorry say justice for Rashford
abusuafo mo mientie audio we mra na yenim komo mientie audio we
good morning Rashford Asem yo me adana minim se wa hwesa video na adana mo kwante na ono onse na guy baako eka ho guy baako mu minim ni pa one de minim no me no ena one area asema ada asem ni se na asema bra ne kan ne say sa coach ne wo faase se ne wo faase se de krampo no ofa ne to wa ye pen ena boy no onim no ade a ye ka so ebia ne nyonko no ontimi nye no onim ena ade a nyonko metimi nye no onim because one na nancy fitim of abremu a ono so ye coach sa nipa na America no ono so ye coach nti Rashford Asem dey seriously ha me pa ye me ya say omoja coach ni sa no wa ye sa de no wa ye pa because ni nyonko eni ma ye mpo ye bufu bra ne say bra na ye nim ne ma ye mpo ye bufu ne sa adent na wonim se ne wonyonko ne subante na wodi akire akokuma se hobi ewo antena ho no and also se oma fence one person mo kotie ho na asem se ne be ya boy no which is sa coach ho awani omo betimi ede afre na ka chen se mani nwane na senate bia no ombra se waya omeka onye nso omeka edam se wunim mumu pa because only nananta one kasa so wasema wo kan ye kire say brown no be because no offer so se ne de krampo offer ne to wafa ne to very painful Ghana for a akwa ne mane ne nam hosa no o amasa mai I can do bro hosa na memete hosa nso na bla na
na me say ade be pa ne hye turumu ho no turumu no ede ya pa de pa be ne otu nipa turumu ade be pa ne hye bibini turumu a otu hwe nyame anim adi akwa yi turumu ama ne yam ne ma nyina asei na ese wo coach Ibrahim ade a wo ya no juma wo di Ghana fo nkura no kese oye ubusuani ankodi ne to de ye kata so because abusuan Asem akura ne nya wo bo obi ba nti ye Ghana fo me say agenda we justice for Rashford ye be ya kopim se ye be jelu ye be ya me jelu na wo ye nipa bonini enkwase Asem ba ko ewom no say ono TikTok videos awoyen osane nkura ne ye video a odonyo mo tase one nkura ne ye video no say bo odonyo chese wankasa no tumu se enkura no awofo yi mohwe mu ye coach Ibrahim ho awofo amoma epeso mo bobo ahoma kwakodi coach Ibrahim sam kofa moma na coach be di moma ne to ase moma ne to na mesremo Ghana doctors fo Ghana nurses fo a mo hwa yalefo me bompa ye se mesremo coach Ibrahim ba hospital mo ne panye be ma nkunu kwete mame coach Ibrahim mo nkunu be mame mama ne be ma ne nyesa homa na ma hata ne ma wo so coach Ibrahim wo me see ye nyeli wo a ye mu bi ne nya ho video ye abusuafo like video ne na share na trust justice for Rashford sem hunu sei obi ba watete no wo dini turu mu akuna wo ne na mo didi wo